welcome to the Federal. This is Shruti Suresh and today I am at the Star Adventure 2019 off-road event conducted by Mercedes-Benz. So basically we have a lot of Mercedes-Benz models here and the basic aim of this event is to showcase the off-road capabilities of Mercedes-Benz cars. Off-roading as an adventure pursuit traces its origin from the time when jeeps became a popular mode of transport among Americans. This adventure trail in India is largely restricted to those who can afford the luxury. A range of super sturdy vehicles of varied brands are available for all terrains. Several brands offer 4x4 cars with rough use capability, and in this off-roading event we find SUVs like GLC, GLS and GLE. Off-roading through unsurfaced terrain, the journey starts with driving through a slush pit. Moving to the next level, the car needs to cross the rock rubble, coconut rumble, and on movement, the descent speed regulator helps maintain the momentum. Tilt, axle twist, traction control and airmatic suspension are used to move past the rugged terrain. This event that took place in Semoncherry was only organized for owners of Mercedes-Benz with an invite. The car enthusiasts gathered with family and friends to experience the adventure.
Yeah, my name is Hari Krishna. I'm coming from Chromebet. So this is my first experience. I'm really enjoying it a lot.
My name is Balaji Reddy. I've been driving for almost 40 years. And off-roading and other wild driving and all I've been doing for about 20 years.
For example, like weekends, I would like to come for an off-roading with a bigger car. And my day-to-day activities, a car which has more power, like an auto enthusiast, like a hatchback would be more better. I would prefer that.
This experience is more sophisticated and the car does more work for us than we doing it ourselves. So it's a sophisticated off-road, and I'm more used to the manual off-roading whereby we used to apply our mind more than the vehicle doing things for us. So I enjoy that also, and this is a different kind of an experience.